So let's start with how these patterns or diseases first impact on the lungs function of governing the immune system and waste elimination, and also of regulating water metabolism, and also in the lungs control of respiration. So in lung immune deficiency, it will present with sensitivity to sun, to pain, where the skin is more dry and contracted to sweat, and coughing will be dry, there will be pain in the throat and chest. In lung yang and qi deficiency, um, we see people with poor immune system, frequent respiratory infection, there is spontaneous sweating, and cold skin. Breathing is also shallow, and there is a tendency to snore, and there is sleep apnea. In conditions where there is damp heat in the lung, um, there is harmful heat that suppresses the functional qi of the lungs, so the immune system is affected. So there is excessive hot sweating and coughing with much yellow or green mucus is usually seen. There is fever, chest pain, and asthmatic breathing. In damp cold in the lungs, there is poor immune system, so there is recurrent breathing problems, which is worse in wet and cold weather, at nights and early morning. Cough will be with excessive white mucus and asthmatic breathing at nights and wet cold weather. In yin condition of the large intestine, um, there is the large intestine function is poor, either semi-solid stools or constipation with no urge to go to the toilet, and there is fullness and distension. So in yang condition, large intestine, there is dry and dark stools or frequent and urgent tenesmus, but little stool and maybe with pus or blood. Okay. In lung, as in lungs function to open to the nose and to smell, and relationship to mucus production. In lung immune deficiency, there is dry mucus and dry mucous membranes. There is hypersensitivity to smell, and sneezing with itchy nose. While in lung yang and qi deficiency, there is anosmia, constant runny nose, worse in wet and cold weather, and there is chronic blocked nose. If there's damp heat in the lung, there is acute common cold or sinusitis, blocked nose alternating with excessive yellow-green mucus. Smell may be affected. In damp cold in the lung pattern, there is subacute or recurrent block nose, poor sense of smell, runny nose in wet, cold weather, and there is watery mucus. Regarding the lungs function of nourishing the skin and body hair, in lung yin deficiency, there is thin, dry skin. The skin sunburns easily. There is less body hair. There are problems with there's problem with getting a tan. This kind of patient sweats very little, and as the yin is low. In lung yang and qi deficiency, the skin is dull. There's spontaneous sweating. There's problem to adapt to temperature changes in climate. In damp heat in the lung, there is red inflamed skin, urticaria, sunburn, acne vulgaris, and can show pustules and bleed when injured. If there is damp cold in the lung, there would be thick skin and maybe dry on surface, or could be oily. The skin cannot easily eliminate sebaceous secretions and may have acne. Okay. Regarding its impact on the emotions, where everyone's ability to attach or detach from sadness. In lung deficiency, patients with this condition are usually unable to feel sadness when sad, feels angry instead. They're unable to stay in a relationship. Since the young tends to rise, these people dislike rules and laws that curtail their freedom. In lung young and chi deficiency, we can see patients who are unable to cry when sad in their own sweet, sad state. They need relationships, they need leadership and fearfully respect authoritative figures and unable to get out of relationships. In damp heat in lung, there's emotional and crying, and their sadness should be the foremost thought for all around them, like saying, "How dare you enjoy when I am miserable?" And people with damp, cold, and lung, there's feeling of sadness causes interior problems like pressure in the lungs, dermatitis, acne, tumors, and angina pectoris. If there's yin condition in the large intestine, there's constipation for long periods and cannot defecate without laxatives or enema. There's also abdominal fullness and distension. For young condition of large intestine, there's urgent and painful stools with colic and much wind. Fear for relationships may cause nervous diarrhea. Lung deficiency, people likes of off-white colors and beige, mustard, yellow, which gives yin from mother. While lung young and chi deficient people or patients likes brilliant white and all pastel shades, especially yellow. In damp heat in the lung, they dislike white uniforms, dislike police, army, or any other person with authoritative power. They would like to be the one to make the law. Damp cold in lung, they're very proud if wearing special uniforms, like work for clothes with a name badge. Feels important when given a job to do, but does not wish to take the initiative or make decisions. In people with yin condition of the large intestine, they like white, especially in toilets. In young condition of the large intestine, they prefer colors that control large intestine young, the lilac and deep maroon. Okay. Regarding preference to spicy flavor, lung deficiency has high sensitivity to spicy food, may get irritated nose or skin, and difficulty breathing. In lung young and chi deficiency, they love spicy food, eats more than the usual amounts eaten in their country. In damp heat in the lung, they completely dislike spicy food. Their symptoms worsen greatly if they consume this food. In damp cold in the lung, spicy food actually improves their skin elimination or the feeling of blocked nose and throat. Where there's yin condition in the large intestine, spicy food helps the constipation and make wind pass outward. They feel comfortable after consuming this. And in young condition, large intestine, spicy food makes the diarrhea, pains, and wind very much worse. So in association with the dry climate, in lung yin deficiency, all symptoms of breathing and skin worsen in dry weather. While in lung yang deficiency, symptoms likely worsen in closed rooms and stuffy weather. Where there's damp heat in the lungs, they need fresh air and windy climate. If there's damp cold in the lungs, they feel bad in wet cold weather and better in dry warm. Immune condition large intestine, stools are not particularly affected by dry weather. And as for the elimination of this waste, stools tend to be either light and semi-solid or long-term constipated with fullness and distension in abdomen. Even if there are stools, the fullness and discomfort are present. Finally, in young condition large intestine, when they have a constipated period, dry weather can make this dry constipation very much worse. Stools go between constipation and diarrhea. The constipation is very dry, dark, looks like rabbit stools, and the recurrent diarrhea comes on with emotional problems or certain foods. So